Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And this is an Discrete mathematics book, 8th chapter. In that exercise 8.4 in the 35th problem. Okay, in the simple way I can say that this is problem on generating functions. Okay, problem on generating functions. Okay, use generating functions to solve the recurrence relation ak is equal to 5ak minus 1 minus 6ak minus 2 with initial conditions a0 is equal to 6 and a1 is equal to 30. Okay, so solution. First we'll write given recurrence relation. I will write in the shortcut way or recurrence relation. ak is equal to 5ak minus 1 minus 6ak minus 2. I'm changing these two terms to this side, so it will become ak minus 5ak minus 1 plus 6ak minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, now multiply these total recurrence relation with x power k. Okay, multiply by x power k. Okay, we will get x power k ak minus 5 ak minus 1 x power k plus 6 ak minus 2 x power k is equal to 0. Here you can take after. Okay, ak x power k, you have to take like that. Okay, now we'll taking summation on both side. Okay, take summation. While we are taking summation, keep in the mind that for here in the question they not given anything like k greater than 2 greater than 1 like that, they have not given. So we'll take like this: summation x power k ak minus 5 summation a k minus 1 x power k plus 6 summation a k minus 2 x power k is equal to 0. Here for example, if we are taking k is equal to infinity, k is equal to infinity. For example, if we are taking 0 to infinity, this is okay, but from 0 minus 1 we can't to do this, so we have to take here 1. So if we are taking 1, here it will be problem. 1 minus 2 we can't to do, so we will take 2. Okay, k is equal to 2 to infinity. Is it clear? I think it's very clear. We have to take like this. If it is having k minus 2, then we have to take k is equal to 2 to infinity. If it is having only k minus 1 is there, these two terms only is there, means you have to take k is equal to 1 to infinity. Okay, now I will take this as equation number 1. Okay, now I will take these each terms and I will solve it. Okay, before doing that, g of x is equal to, this is a general solution, general generating function equation. G of x is equal to summation k is equal to 0 to infinity x power k ak x power k, summation k is equal to 0 to infinity a k x power k. Okay, we will write it as a0 x power 0 plus a1 x power 1 plus a2 x power 2 a3 x cube, like this. Okay, this is general generating functions equation. Okay, this is g of x. Okay, now this is no need. Next we will take these single terms. So the first term is summation a k is equal to 2 to infinity ak x power k, that is ak means we will get a2 x square plus a3 x power 3 plus a4 x power 4 and so on. Okay, now here we have g of x is equal to a0 x power 0 plus a1 x power 1 plus a2 x square plus and so on a3 x cube plus and so on. Here we are starting from a2, so we'll take these two terms to this side. So we'll get g of x minus a naught x power 0 minus a1 x power. Okay. By equating these two, we will get summation k is equal to 2 to infinity ak x power k is equal to g of x minus a naught x power 0 means 1. So a1 x. Okay. This I am taking this as equation number 2. Okay. Now the second term minus 5 summation k is equal to 2 to infinity ak minus 1 x power k. So here I am writing minus 5 as it is, and here k minus 1 is there, and here k only power k is there. To make these two equal, I am multiplying and dividing by x for this equation, for this total. Okay. Then we will get k is equal to 2 to infinity a k minus 1 x power k into x. It will be x power k. So to get minus 1 x, it will be x power k minus 1, and this x will be written outside. Okay. So x power k minus 1 into x, that is minus 5x into summation k is equal to 2 to infinity a k minus 1 x power k minus 1. Okay. Now I am simplifying this one. Okay. Minus 5x into first we will substitute k is equal to 2. So we will get a 2 minus 1 is 1 and x power 2 minus 1 is 1 plus 2, after we will get 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. a2 x power 2 and so on. Okay. Here in g of x, it is starting from a1x plus a2x square, like that. So in g of x, here a naught x power 0, this one is not there. So we'll take it here minus 5x into, if you are from here it is starting, so we'll take this term to this side. It will become g of x minus a naught x naught. G of x minus a naught x naught. So we'll get g of x minus a naught x power 0. Here minus 5x into g of x minus a naught. This I am taking it as equation number 3. Now we'll solve this third term. Okay. 6 summation k is equal to 2 to infinity a k minus 2 x power k. Okay. These two terms are not equal. So to make it equal, I am multiplying and dividing by x square. So we'll get 6x square into summation k is equal to 2 to infinity a k minus 2 x power k minus 2. Okay. 6x square into, by solving this we will get a naught x power 0 plus a1 x power 1 plus a2 x power square, like that. Okay. This is the g of x. So we'll take directly g of x here. This I am taking it as equation number 4. Now I will substitute this equation 2, 3, 4 in equation 1. Okay. Substitute equation 2, 3, 4 in equation 1. So 1 we will get here. First equation 2. In the place of these, we will write these terms. Okay. So we'll get g of x minus a naught minus a1x minus, next in the place of these, we'll substitute this. So minus 5x into g of x minus a naught plus 6x square into g of x is equal to 0. Okay. Now g of x minus a naught minus a1x, multiply this inside, minus 5x g of x plus 5x a naught plus 6x square g of x is equal to 0. Now from this equation I am taking g of x common. So g of x, here we will get 1, here minus 5x, here plus 6x square. Okay. Now remaining terms are minus a naught minus a1 x 1 2 3 4 5 plus 5x a naught is equal to 0. Okay. In the question, now I am taking these all terms to this side. So we'll get g of x into 1 minus 5x plus 6x square is equal to a naught plus a1x plus 5x a naught. In the question already they have given a naught and a1 value. So substitute a naught is equal to 6 and a1 is equal to 30. Substitute a naught is equal to 6 and a1 is equal to 30. So we'll get g of x into 1 minus 5x plus 6x square is equal to a naught value is 6 plus, so while we are taking this side it will become minus 5x a naught. Okay, sorry, this one minus. So a1 value is 30. So 30x minus 5 into 6. 5 6 are 30. Sorry, 30x into minus 30x. So this cancelled and 6 is left this side and this side we will get this. Now I will change this to this side. If we are changing here, these two are multiplication. So if you are changing this term to this side, it will become division. So in the next step we will get g of x is equal to 6 by 1 minus 5x plus 6x square. So g of x is equal to 6 by 1 minus 5x plus 6x square. Okay. Now I will solve this term here. 6x square minus 5x plus 1 is equal to 0. So we'll get 6x square. 6 ones are 6. So we'll take this as 2 3s are 6. 2 plus 5 is 5. So minus 2x minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. So here 2x is common. 2 3 3x minus 1 is common. 3x minus 1. So I'll get 2x minus 1 into 3x minus 1. Okay. So here we will get 6 by 2x minus 1 and 3x minus 1. Okay. I am taking these 2x minus 1 and 3x minus 1 as 6 by 1 minus 2x 1 minus 3x. Here I am taking minus 1 common and here I am taking minus 1 common. Both will become plus. So we can take like this. I am changing both the terms. Okay. Now partial fractions by partial fractions. So g of x is equal to 6 by 1 minus 2x into 1 minus 3x. If it is having only simple, we will take it as a by 1 minus 2x plus b by 1 minus 3x. Okay. Now 6 by 1 minus 2x into 1 minus 3x is equal to, here I am doing LCM for this. Then we will get 1 minus 2x into 1 minus 3x in the denominator, and then in the numerator it will be multiplied a into 1 minus 3x plus b into 1 minus 2x, or you can say a by 1 minus 2x into this one. Then 1 minus 2x will be cancelled and a into 1 minus 3x will get. Like this also we can say. Okay. Now these two terms are cancelled. So 6 is equal to a minus 3ax plus b minus 2ax. So 6 is equal to a plus b minus 3a, sorry here b, plus 2b into x. Here x term not there, so we'll take it as 0. 3a plus 2b is equal to 0. So compare on both sides. Comparing on both sides, so we'll get a plus b is equal to 6 and 3a plus 2b is equal to 0. Okay, to find a and b values, now I am taking this, for this equation I am multiplying by 2, so we'll get 2a plus 2b is equal to 12. Okay, now I am changing these symbols and cutting this. 3 minus 2 is a is equal to minus 12. So now substitute a value in this, so we'll get a plus b is equal to 6 minus 12 plus b is equal to 6. B is equal to 6 plus 12, that is b is equal to 18. Okay, b is equal to 18. This equation number 5. Now substitute a, b values in equation 5. Then we'll get g of x is equal to a minus 12 by 1 minus 2x plus b value is 18 by 1 minus 3x. Okay, now if you are taking this upside, then it will be, yes, 1 minus 2x whole inverse plus 18 into 1 minus 3x whole inverse. Okay, this is what is a closed form? This is a closed form. For this we will write generating function. It will be like this: summation k is equal to 0 to infinity. Here 1 minus ax form. Okay, see here, 1 minus ax whole inverse is equal to summation k is equal to 1 minus ax whole inverse is equal to summation k is equal to 0 to infinity a power k x power k. So here a place we are having 2, so we'll take 2 power k x power k plus 18 into k is equal to 0 to infinity 3 power k x power k. So here we are taking this summation k is equal to 0 to infinity as common, then we'll get minus 12 into 2 power k plus 18 into 3 power k whole x power k. Okay, so here this is the g of x. So actually we need to find a k. This is in the form of g of x. Here this is the a k. So we'll take 18 into 3 power k minus 12 into 2 power k is the answer. I hope you understood this problem. If you have any doubts, you can comment below, and like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.